Meter loop installation. Quality work should always be the goal of every power line professional. In this video, the appropriate methods for the proper installation of a 120-240 volt socket-style meter loop are presented. After arriving on site, the installer may be required to locate the appropriate location for the meter loop installation. This meter loop installation will require the following materials: a socket-style meter base, conduit of the appropriate length and diameter and its corresponding connectors, a weatherhead, conduit straps, conductor of sufficient size and length, screws with anchors if required, anti-oxidation paste. Process of installation. First, the house wiring installation is inspected to make sure it has been done correctly. If it passes inspection, proceed with the meter loop installation. Now, place the meter base at the location where it is to be installed. Make sure it is level. Then use a pen or pencil to mark the location of the screw holes on the wall. If it is necessary, drill holes and insert anchors. Make sure the meter base location is within your company's recommended height specifications. A typical installation is 1.8 meters from the ground. At this time, the meter loop is assembled. This is accomplished by first threading the conduit into the meter base. Then, the weatherhead is installed on the upper end of the conduit. The conductor is then inserted in conduit with enough cable remaining to allow its connection to the meter base lugs. Strip about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of insulation from the conductors. It is recommended that the installer not secure the cable into the meter base lugs at this time. Doing so will cause problems later when attaching the meter base to the wall. Carefully place the pre-assembled meter loop at its location on the structure, making sure the load leads from the house are connecting through the center opening on the back side of the meter base. Align the pre-drilled holes in the wall with the holes in the meter base. Insert screws and tighten them securely to attach the base to the wall. The installer is now ready to secure the straps to the conduit. Straps should be distributed at equal distances along the length of the conduit. The holes are marked. Then drilled. And anchors used if required. The straps are then placed on the conduit and securely affixed to the wall with screws. The leads are ready to be connected to the lugs in the meter base. Clean the conductor leads thoroughly with a wire brush. Generously apply a coating of antioxidant paste. Connect the neutral to the neutral or ground lug in the meter base. The line phase conductors are installed in the upper lugs of the meter base. The load phase conductors are installed in the lower lugs of the meter base. The installer then inspects the installation to verify that a quality installation has been made. Once the meter base has been correctly installed, the location is ready for the service drop installation. Review. Determine the meter base location. Make sure all materials required are on hand. Mark and drill holes as required. Assemble the meter loop. Mount the meter loop on the house. Connect line and load leads to the meter socket lugs. Inspect your work to ensure a quality installation. Meter loop installation is another important component of the electrical system. Your commitment to making a quality meter loop installation is important in order to provide safe, reliable electric service to your customers.